Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna need is riced cauliflower. You can make your own or you can buy it. I just got 2 frozen bags at Aldi. They are 12-ounce bags, and then some lime juice and cilantro. And then you just drizzle some olive oil into your pan, and then dump both frozen bags in. And I really like buying them already made. It is a huge mess to make cauliflower rice, and it's just, I like the texture better of the bought kind. I just like all of it better. So I just salt it a little bit and let it start to thaw. Next, I have 3 bell peppers and an onion, and then I had part of an onion in my refrigerator, so I just decided to use that as well. And I just cut all of it into like strips, both the onions and the peppers. Next, I'm just stirring around the cauliflower rice, just making sure that it's getting all of the iciness out of it. And then I just drizzle some lime juice in it and just shake some cilantro over it. So it's kind of like cilantro lime rice. Also, I add a little bit more salt, and the salt kind of tends to help get to the liquid out of it so that it's not like watery. Once it's to the consistency that you really like, go ahead and pull it off of your burner. Sometimes people like it softer, some like it a little bit more on the crunchier side, just whatever you prefer. Next, I drizzle more olive oil in the pan and put my peppers and onions in. This helps to season the pan before I get to the chicken, and while that's cooking, I chop the chicken up into cubes. I also make sure to trim all fat off so that you don't get a chunk of chicken with fat in it. Once your peppers and onions are to the consistency that you like, you can pull them off of your burner. Next, I add more olive oil and then put all of the chicken into the pan. Add some salt, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, and cumin. I don't have any real measurements for all of this stuff. It's literally, I just shake it on like you see. Next, you'll just want to keep stirring the chicken so that it gets cooked all around, and you can kind of test them out by cutting a few pieces in half just to make sure that it's all getting cooked through. And then I add a couple splashes of water. I don't know, if I had to guess, maybe like 2 or 3 tablespoons. It helps the seasonings kind of adhere to the chicken, and I just really feel like it helps it cook better. So once you're done with your chicken, you want to pull it off and assemble everything. And a couple other add-ins you can do is guacamole, pico de gallo, like anything you could think of that they would have at Chipotle, you can add to this. For myself, I just do everything up until the sour cream and the cheese, and I added those things for my girls. And besides that, it's all put together. You see how simple this really is, and I hope that you guys love this and enjoy it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.